In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team hub in Notion. By the end, you'll have a central place where your team can find announcements, resources, active projects, and updates without hunting through scattered pages. Start by creating a new page in your Notion workspace and name it Team Hub. Choose a clean layout so the page feels approachable. You can begin with a blank page or a simple template, but keep it minimal at first. Give it a clear title. Add a fitting icon for quick visual recognition, and, if you like, a simple cover to make it feel official. Next, lay out your core sections: announcements, resources, projects, and team updates. Use clear headings to separate each area so people can scan quickly. In announcements, keep the most recent update at the top and add dates so context is obvious. In resources, gather policies, onboarding guides, and how-to docs, so new and existing teammates know exactly where to look. For projects, outline active initiatives, owners, and timelines, and leave room to show status at a glance. In team updates, summarize weekly highlights or wins so everyone stays aligned. To make this more powerful, create subpages or linked databases for each department or workflow. For example, add subpages for design, operations, or customer success, each with their own space to track tasks and notes. If your team already uses databases for tasks or projects, bring them into the hub with linked database views. Filter each view so the right people see the right items, and choose helpful layouts like boards for status, calendars for timelines, or tables for detailed fields. Add quick links so the most used information is always one click away. Create a small quick links area near the top with direct links to your team calendar, meeting notes, quarterly goals, or any critical document. You can link to Notion pages or external tools. The key is to centralize the pathways your team uses every day. Improve navigation with icons, headings, and call-out boxes. Consistent icons help people recognize sections instantly. Use headings to structure content from high level to detailed. Call-out boxes can spotlight urgent updates, meeting agendas, or must-read policies, and color-coding them provides a fast visual cue. Finally, share the hub with your team so everyone can access it easily. Adjust permissions so the right people can view or edit, and share the page link in your team's communication channel. Encourage teammates to favorite the page in their sidebar so the hub becomes their home base. That's it. Your team hub in Notion is ready to keep everyone informed, aligned, and moving in the same direction.